Okay, as we're walking through, look at all that. And they said we get to a cave up here. Have you noticed brightly colored patches of lichen fungus? I don't see them. Oh well. I don't see brightly colored anything.
Yeah, I bet it's right here. It's bright green.
Oh yeah.
Bright green right there.
Oh, look at this. How cool is this? Little cave.
You're able to get a room in there, or is there no fucking way? No fucking way.
I think I said freaking. So I didn't officially curse.
Letting down the Jersey heritage, right?
Yeah.
You're a kind little gentler. I don't even know what to call a Jersey guy.
Dude, look at this. There's like rocks underneath there.
There's the waterfall, folks.
So far, one day has gotten better than the next. I think I got a picture of you falling down under the waterfall too.
I wondered if anybody saw that.
Yeah.
That hurt.
Yeah. That was all rocks.
Flip through rock, yeah. Didn't even skin my skin though or anything. It was weird. Hard fall.
Well, they're smooth rocks. It's just gonna hurt you, I think, like bruise-wise. Stop thinking, listen, take a moment to relax. Is that your sense? Yeah, think of what might have happened if this rainforest had not been dedicated as a national park. Good point.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you at all when I was under that thing.
I know.
I can Photoshop me over like 10 feet.
Well, it was, what they were saying is it's the wind. The wind was pushing the water away from you.
Yeah, I kept feeling it. I'd hit and then it would be gone. And
Yeah.
I figured that was. That's why I kept waiting for it to come back. Took a couple steps over and I figured there it was.
Kind of a steep drop off. Hi. Oh, you brought a little one too.
Yeah.
If I had one of those things on, Daisy'd be inside of it.
Oh,
She would totally do that.
would she ride? Oh, she might actually.
Oh, she absolutely would.
Seems to be like to be held.
She wants to be wherever you go. So unlike Johnny. Although Mom says Johnny's hanging out by the front door just waiting.
Listening.
Yeah. I'd assume down. But they probably go to the same place.
They might. One is under, one is on top of something. Possibly. That may be the switchback.
Yeah, because there is a switchback, I think.
Amazing how much farther down you can go down here.
I know. Look at the rocks. I'm glad we ate at the hotel.
Yeah, we would have been running at the drinking a lot of coffee across the street or something.
Yeah.
What do you have? Coffee and what? Biscuits? Mints? You have any mints?
Yeah, but it gave you a good decent amount size of breakfast. And it was quick,
Yeah.
which got us out here fast.
Sir?
It got us out here fast. Just to look down.
See the city like that off in the distance is pretty surreal.
Yeah, from the lookout. That is funny because as we hiked, first waterfall we see, we're like, take 100 pictures. Second waterfall, oh, this is better than the first one. Take 1,000 pictures. Oh, look at this one. Yeah.
Go. Sorry. I got it. Quick.
Recycling nutrients. Huh. It's about, yeah, this is all switchbacks. We're going way down there.
Wow. Let's see if it has any kind of map.